If you truly want one habit to change your life forever, stop trying to change your whole life in 1 week. That's the mistake almost everyone makes. They say, "From tomorrow I will wake up at 5 a.m., exercise for 1 hour, read daily, eat clean, and completely transform my life." For 3 or 4 days, they feel motivated. Energy is high. But then life happens. They get tired. They get busy. Motivation drops. And they quit. Not because they are weak, but because they tried to sprint a marathon. Real change does not happen through big emotional decisions. It happens through small daily systems. The first and most important step is to start so small that it feels almost silly. Pick only one habit, not 5. Make it tiny. Instead of saying, "I will exercise for 1 hour," say, "I will do 2 push-ups." Instead of saying, "I will read for 30 minutes," say, "I will read 1 page." When a habit is tiny, there is no resistance. Your brain does not argue. Research shows that small wins release dopamine, and dopamine builds motivation. When something feels easy, you repeat it. When you repeat it, it becomes automatic. And once it becomes automatic, you can grow it. But first, you must build consistency. Next, attach your new habit to something you already do every day. This is called habit stacking. Your brain already remembers your daily routines. So instead of creating new time, connect the new habit to an old one. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will do 2 push-ups. After I pour my morning tea, I will drink a glass of water. After I close my laptop at night, I will read 1 page. The old habit becomes the trigger for the new one. This removes the need for willpower because you are using an existing routine as your reminder. Another powerful step is designing your environment. Most people believe habits require strong discipline. But research shows that behavior is often controlled by environment, not motivation. If junk food is on the table, you will eat it. If your phone is next to your bed, you will scroll. If your running shoes are near the door, you are more likely to walk. So make good habits obvious and bad habits invisible. Put your book on your pillow. Keep a water bottle on your desk. Charge your phone outside your bedroom. Small environmental changes create big behavioral changes. You should also make your habit attractive. The brain loves pleasure. If a habit feels boring, you will avoid it. So pair your habit with something you enjoy. Listen to your favorite podcast while walking. Drink your favorite coffee after studying. Watch your favorite show only while exercising. When effort connects with reward, your brain starts craving the habit. That is how habits stick. Tracking your habit is also important. Use a calendar, an app, or a notebook. Mark an X every day you complete your habit. Seeing a streak builds satisfaction. And when you complete it, celebrate. Positive emotion strengthens neural pathways in the brain. Celebration may feel small, but it wires habits deeply. Now here is a rule that protects consistency. Never miss twice. You will miss a day sometimes. Life is unpredictable. But if you miss once, get back on track the very next day. 1 missed day is normal. 2 missed days start a pattern. This rule prevents the "I already failed, so I'll quit" mindset. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Focus on identity, not just goals. Instead of saying, "I want to read more," say, "I am a reader." Instead of saying, "I'm trying to exercise," say, "I am someone who takes care of my body." Every time you complete your habit, you cast a vote for the type of person you want to become. Identity-based habits last longer because they change how you see yourself. When your tiny habit becomes automatic, increase it slowly. This is the 1% rule. From 2 push-ups to 3. From 1 page to 2. From 5 minutes to 7. Small increases feel manageable and prevent burnout. Over time, these small improvements compound into massive change. Big growth rarely comes from big jumps. It comes from steady progression. Every week, review your habit. Ask yourself what worked and what didn't. If something feels difficult, adjust it instead of quitting. Maybe the timing is wrong. Maybe the habit is too big. Treat your habit like an experiment. You are not failing. You are learning. Finally, protect your habit like your future depends on it, because it does. Think about why it matters. Maybe it's better health, more confidence, sharper focus, or long-term success. Visualize your future self thanking you for staying consistent. Motivation will come and go. Systems will stay. Habits are systems that protect your progress even on low-energy days. You don't need superhuman discipline. You need smart design. Start tiny. Stack it onto something you already do. Design your environment. Make it attractive. Track it. Never miss twice. Focus on identity. Improve slowly. Review weekly. Protect it like it matters, because it does. In 1 month, you will feel the shift. In 1 year, your life can look completely different. Not because of one dramatic action, but because of one small habit repeated daily. If this helped you, don't just listen and forget. Pick one tiny habit right now and start today. If you found value in this message, like, share, and subscribe for more practical growth content. Your future self is counting on you. See you in the next episode.